I want to ask a question, one that many people might think about, but very few dare to ask out loud. If you are a Muslim and have reached the age of 20, 30, or even older, and you don't know if your prayer is correct or not, does this mean it's too late? No, never. In fact, today could be the true beginning you've been waiting for, peacefully and with mercy. But what if I've been praying incorrectly all these years? Or if my wudu was wrong? What if I've been doing things without knowing the ruling? Thousands of Muslims live with these questions every day. Some didn't find anyone to teach them, and some got lost in the details. But there is a more important question that summarizes all of this. What is Islam exactly? Islam, in its meaning, is submission to Allah, the Almighty, out of humility, obedience, and love. When a person surrenders their affairs to their Creator, they find true peace and tranquility. Islam is not just rituals. It is your honesty, your sincerity, your mercy towards people, your kindness to your parents. Every good deed you do seeking the pleasure of Allah is worship. So, we will start together from the basics to learn our religion with awareness and love, step by step. There is no age that is too late to learn, and there is no question that is too embarrassing when it comes to your Lord. Welcome to our journey of understanding Islam anew on the Goal Insight channel. May you remain with clear insight, and see you soon